Hello everyone, I'd like to advertise that we've got a new website that you can come and visit me on, and this is for those who are interested in creative writing. Okay, we have a 3-tier membership on patreon.com. See Johan Kasim. So look me up on Patreon and you'll see what perks there are over there. All right, the first week is writing a mystery story like that of Lydia's story. So for those who are looking at Lydia's story, you can access it on YouTube here. And of course, we have the Patreon website. Come to Patreon, okay, you'll come to my main page, I believe, Johan Kasim Patreon, yes. And there you will see all the various, I believe this is the one, right? Okay, you'll see all the various posts that I have. Okay, there's a membership program. Okay, and we have the Economy Express. Right, with this tier, members will be able to get weekly creative writing worksheets with scoring and answers. Okay, so this week you have the weekly post. Okay, that you can get from this. All right. You have the Story Lab tier, which is $50 a month, where you get weekly worksheets to allow the author to shine and an audio explanation. Then you have the Literary Academy, where you have weekly worksheets, extra audio, and a monthly lecture coming up on the 30th of this month. And lastly, you have the Elite Apprenticeship. It's supposed to be a lifetime membership, but it just says here per month, so I don't know whether I can control that. But you have weekly worksheets, extra audio, monthly lecture, and access to Dream to Page. I put it down as a once in a lifetime, but I think it will be a monthly membership for now. All right. So you have all of that available. You can also shop. I've only got one story to sell here, and that is Lydia's story, which is in full text form. And you can buy it for only $5. And I'll be putting it into a collection, which later on you can buy for $50. However, wait till I have more stories available there, maybe like 10 more stories before you buy it there, would be my suggestion. Yeah, Lydia's story, as you can see, is a murder mystery. And I will be holding I am already holding those classes and the worksheets in the various tier levels at my Patreon website. So I encourage you to come and see it and and have fun there. At the same time, you can also check my Buy Me a Coffee website, wherein there are English lessons according to various tier levels as well. Thank you for listening.